Howdy, English 102 students. This is Cale Moffat, the Information Literacy Librarian here at St. Martin's University. I just wanted to give you a quick video introduction to this scope and sequence for library instruction for English 102. Alright, the sequence consists of two sessions that are linked. Session 1 walks through tools and strategies that will help you break down a topic into more manageable subtopics, formulating a research question, and then developing search term from your question. Session 2 introduces you to several specific databases that you can use for your research. Now, before each session, there will be several short videos to watch that will introduce you to the concepts that we'll cover in the face-to-face session. The idea is to make those sessions more hands-on and interactive. To get to the lesson materials, you'll need to go to the research guides from the library's homepage by clicking the tab, then click All Guides, and scroll down to English 102 Research Quests. This is the landing page. Up here is kind of a brief description of the sequence, and it's been couched in a kind of RPG kind of language, role-playing game, a kind of tongue-in-cheek Dungeons and Dragons with some Saturday Night Live and Monty Python jokes sprinkled in. There are two things you'll need to do on this page before you watch the videos. First, you need to come down here and take the Prequiz. Now, this is just to give us a baseline measure to see how effective the instruction has been. If you don't know an answer, just take a guess. Right now, again, we're just building a baseline. Second, you need to download the Research Quest packet. There are a number of pages, so I wouldn't recommend printing it out. Plus, we'll be working with it in the two sessions, and you can fill it out electronically. Also, we've designed it to be a kind of toolkit that you can use on any research project. So we hope it'll continue to be useful to you even beyond this class. All right, let's go ahead and look at session 1. So the instruction is set up like this. First, you'll have a kind of a game element, the story. You'll have your rank here. Following each part of the story, however, is an explanation that kind of shows how parts of that story are like the research process. So we see this pattern repeated again, and then the videos are down here below them. Here we are back at the top of the page. If you need to skip around between the boxes, you can navigate here. Let's look at section 2. And the second session is set up very similarly to session 1. Alrighty, so after the face-to-face sessions, you'll come to the accolade. The accolade is kind of the recognition of achievement here. One of the things that you'll need to do here, you only have one task here, and that's take the English 102 post quiz. Now this one will be scored. One last thing, just in case you need it or have some questions, MLA Citations and APA Citation Help pages are here that I've put here for you. Alrighty, let's get going.